No hair or less. You know the dog work, Hannah. You must take a moment. You look charming, Haley. Pull under.
Looking good. Just a little longer. There we are.
The knife has to find its own rhythm in the cold flesh. Let the blade work with the grain, not against it. Slow pressure, steady hands, and the fillet parts clean, even while frozen. Each cut brings you closer to cooking. The sauce.
Moving on, girl. Just a little farther. Good boy, stay close.
Easy now, little one. That's it. There you go. Warm and safe. All right, settle in. Good girl.
What is it, boy? Easy now. No one's coming in here that we don't know.
Who's there? You warm. Easy now. And safe. Rest, little one. Easy now, little one. That's it. There you go. Warm and safe. All right, settle in. Good girl.
All right, come on, little one. We're going in. There we go. Safe now. Let's get you warm by the stove. You're all right. We'll thaw out together.
Driven by the scent of food, a hungry grizzly tests the wall of an isolated cabin. Each strike of its claws peels back weathered wood, sending snow tumbling to the frozen ground. In the quiet of the tundra, the bear's roars and the rattle of the storm are...
Easy does it. Good. Easy now. Still solid.
Let's see what we've got left down there. Hold steady.
Each breath meets the frozen air, turning to mist in an instant. The bear tests the scents beyond the wall, its warm exhalations curling into the cold like smoke from a hidden fire. Moisture beads along the stone and hardens to crystal within.
Another one for the winter. Will be warm.
Stay strong, old bones. Hold on, little one. We're gonna be just fine.
Tired swipes of the old brown bear land without force, the weight of winter sapping its strength. Each breath drifts like vapor against the cold. Flakes thin in the air and the snowfall eases. The fight in him settles into fatigue.
Through the wind and falling snow, the bear circles the cabin again, following its own tracks like a hunter marking territory. Each pass brings it closer to the warm scent drifting from inside. It moves with patient determination, muscles coiled beneath a coat heavy with frost.
Steady now, little one. Breathe with me.
You're all right.
Ah, that's better. Warm again, oh boy.
We'll ride it out, little one. The fire's got us. We'll ride it out, little one. The fire's got us.